This video today is going to be for a 2011 Mercedes C300 Sport, and if you're starting to get some misfires with your engine, and you've already replaced your spark plugs, and you've already replaced your coil packs, what you can go ahead and do is buy some Lucas fuel injector cleaner. I'll go ahead and show an image right now of what it looks like. With this stuff, what you go ahead and do is put it in your gas tank, drive it on the freeway for 10 miles, give it a good soak, park it, let it idle for about 30 minutes, and then drive it as normal. I recently had to do this with my Mercedes, and it actually took away the misfire. So this product does work with this engine. So if you're starting to get some misfires, try this out before you look into anything further.